Sweetie, what are you doing? You're having a hard time sleeping. Just go to sleep, okay? Just come cuddle with me and go to sleep, okay? Everything's gonna be fine. Why do you have that concerned look on your face? And why are you looking at me like that? Sure, sweetie, you can ask me a question. Am I a vampire? The answer is yeah, sweetie, I'm a vampire, okay? Alright, good night, sweetheart. How come I never told you? I don't know, sweetie. We've been living together for 3 years, and I thought it was obvious, like I don't go out in the sun. I don't eat garlic. You've seen me drink blood, and every Halloween I dress like a vampire, and you've seen me brush my fangs, so I don't know, I just thought it was really, really obvious. Why do I have a heartbeat? Okay, well, I do have some human tendencies, I do. I get nervous, I have a heartbeat, I sweat, you know? And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not full vampire. I was never bitten by a vampire, so I never turned, right? I'm a hybrid, I'm half vampire, My father, Edwards, he's a vampire, and my mother, Bella, she's human, and they had me and my sister, right? So, yeah. So we're just hybrids, and we just have the best of both worlds. I mean, there's a whole movie about it called Twilight. We'll watch it together sometimes, okay? The movie just explains everything, so once you watch it, you'll understand everything, okay? Alright, sweetheart. Good night. You still can't sleep, can you? It's okay. Don't worry about it, okay? I still remember the day we first met. I do. When I first saw you, I thought, wow, this is the prettiest girl in the world. I really did. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. And I do remember that. I was so nervous to come up and talk to you. When I saw you, I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. But I knew I had to talk to you, I really did. Because I didn't want to lose my chance. So, somehow I got the courage in me to go up and talk to you, and as I was walking, my heartbeat was beating so fast, I felt like my heart was gonna jump out of my chest. And my palms were so sweaty. Then I came up to you and I said hi. And I remember how you looked at me when I first said hi. You gave me the most disgusting look ever. You're like, how dare you come up to me? I'm just kidding, I'm just joking. I think you were shocked too, but yeah. Then I made small talk and we talked for a bit. And when I asked you how I was surprised. I was surprised that you said yes. And I think that was one of the most happiest moments of my life. Okay, sweetie, no more story time, okay? You, my little princess, you need to sleep now, okay? Alright? Okay, my little pookie stick, you, my dear, need to sleep because tomorrow you need to wake up early, so, okay. Alright, good night, baby. Okay. Good night, my little pookie. Good night, my little orange cream. Good night, my little avocado. Good night, my little starlight. Good night, my little princess. Good night, my little koala bear. Okay. Alright, go to sleep now. Good night. No, sweetie, you're not sleeping. What's wrong? You're hungry. Okay. Okay. I can make you some food. We have a lot of stuff in the freezer. I mean, last time we checked, we had pasta, lasagna, Alfredo. Yeah, like these burrito things called chimichangas. We have frozen corn dogs. Those are good. We have frozen hamburgers. Those are also good. We have ice cream, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and matcha. You want the lasagna? Yeah. I can make that lasagna for you. Give me 1 second, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, sweetie. I got you some food, okay? Here you go. Eat up. You are so cute. Here, scoot over for a bit, okay? I want to cuddle for a bit. You know, you have the most beautiful eyes in the world. I'm serious. Your eyes are really, really something special. I mean, I'm not telling you this just to impress you or anything. I just happen to notice them. I mean, I've always noticed them. It's just that sometimes, you know, your eyes, they sparkle. They do. Especially when you talk about something you love. Sometimes it can be kind of distracting, but I don't mind it. I mean, honestly, who wouldn't get lost in your eyes? I mean, I do. All the time. I do. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Your eyes glow. You have this unique beauty that I can't help notice. But honestly, sweetheart, you should be really, really careful. Because with eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They really are. Your lips are really beautiful. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it just lights up the whole room. And it feels like everything just kind of fades away. And it feels like I'm just here with just me and you. And it makes me feel like I'm so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I can listen. I can listen to you for hours. Your voice, combined with your lips moving, it's mesmerizing. It makes everything you say feel so special. And I just wanted you to know that I appreciate you, you know. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness that it makes it very comforting to be close to you. I know you probably deserve to hear this more often, but you're really amazing inside and out. And your lips is just a part of that. And your hair. I just love putting your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft. I just love the way how the light shines on your hair sometimes. It just has this glow. Sometimes I just get lost in it. But it frames your face so perfectly. It really does. And I love how my fingers feel when I run through your hair. So silky and soft and smooth. And sometimes when you just let your hair down, and I'm like, wow, a whole new side of you just comes out. You make beauty look so effortless. And everything makes up your face. And you got the most beautiful face in the world. I feel like every time I look at you, it just lights up my world, lights up my day. It makes everything brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day. And I love watching your expressions change. Whether you're happy, sad, or annoyed. Every single emotion